Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright. This package here. The sports images. Just sport belt. Alright, let's open it up. This is a lot for a water bottle. I think this is just a regular size water bottle. But it does stretch too, so maybe it can fit more. Pocket here or whatever. Here's another pocket. Other side, there's nothing else. Just loops around, and you have the pockets on the back side. Unless you prefer to have it in the front, but I would say most people have it on the back. You reach for it. Yeah, so that is a sports belt. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.